Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a snowman to celebrate Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute snowman, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. Big oval nose. And then from there I'm going to come to the sides and I'm going to draw a small circle right here next to it for the eyes. And I'll come right here with a little circle inside and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. And now let's come above each eye. I'm going to draw a soft curve. And let's give our snowman a huge smile. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a curve and another curve right here. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect a big curve all the way across for a huge, sweet smile for our snowman. Then from there, let's go ahead and start to frame his face. So I'm going to come, say where his eye is. I'm going to come about right here. Just give myself a point. And same thing here, just to make it a little bit easier for me since I'm drawing a little bit bigger. And I'm going to just basically draw a curve all the way around. And go ahead and connect it at the bottom right here with another curve. There. Now let's bring this up a tiny bit more. I'm going to come in a little bit more. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and curve at the top and connect. So now that we have that curve in, I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw the brim of the hat. So I'm just going to curve up, across about right here, do the same thing. And just go ahead and connect. There, so we have our hat. Okay, there. I got a little bit off. Then from there, I'm going to come in this area right here. I'm going to draw some holly berries. So I'm going to draw 3 circles right here. And some leaves. And one more right here. And then let's draw the top of our hat. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and curve at the top. And about right there, I'm going to come right back down just like the other side. And let's add a little band right here on our hat. There, so our snowman is nicely decorated at the top now. Then from there, let's draw the bottom part. So I'm going to come right here and give our snowman a little scarf, keep him nice and warm, and connect. And then the body. So let's come right here. So nice and simple. And let's go down and round it off. So it's all up to you, the shape of your snowman, how big you want to make him. But about right there, I'm going to stop. And then in this area, I'm going to draw a bunch of wobbly curves because I want my snowman nicely sitting in the snow. There, such a nice little wobble a little bit. And then just going to bring this out and bring this out. There. And so then let's come back and add some details. So right in the center, right here, I'm going to add 3 circles for some buttons. I'll come in here and shade this in. Give a little highlight for our buttons. And then for our scarf, let's finish that up. So about right here, I'm going to add the part that hangs out. And one more here. Add some tassels. Right there. And now for the hands. So let's come on this side and pop in some branches right here for his hands. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to come out. And I'll thicken everything, come out, make it look like a branch. So something like that. And I'll come in here and thicken it up. There, give it some knots to make it look like a real branch, and then the other side as well. So right here, and once again we'll do the same thing. And this one will go up a little bit, come across, and there. So once again, just come in here and thicken it up. Do a little bit wobble there. Okay, so let's decorate all this and bring it to life with some extra cuteness. So right here, I'm gonna hang a little ornament. Bring this down, draw a circle, add a little bow, and put in a little stripe on our ornament. And then on this side, I thought it'd be really cute. Put a little bird right here for a friend for our snowman. So if you want to do that, let's come about, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and curve. And then in this area, I'm going to draw a little beak. And then I'm going to curve and bring it in. So nice, simple little bird. Then I'm going to come in here for some details, a little beak, an eye. And just come in here, draw two curves for some wings and the tail. And let's add a little plume right here, make it extra cute. Okay, and then I'm going to add a heart right here for the both of them. And at the bottom, let's add a snowball right here. Another one, and on this side, that'd be really cute. We add some flowers that are just popping up through the snow. So let's go about right here, and I'm just going to add some leaves. So I really hope my drawings inspire you, and you know that you just add your own special elements to it to make it yours. So add a little flower right here, because the possibilities are just endless, right? And right there, so a little flower that's just popping out through the snow. And what else are we missing? I'll just put a heart, another heart right here on our scarf. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing and that you love this sweet little snowman that brings a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.